Bumper. To remove the bumper, you need to do as the following steps. 1. Face the back of the robot. Remove the screws on the bottom rod and then the bottom rod. 2. Face the front side of the robot. Loosen the connecting cable between the bumper and the main engine. Hold the bumper and lightly sway the connector and remove the bumper. How to put back the bumper? 1. Put back the bumper. Connect the cable between the bumper and the main engine. After installation, press the bumper to make sure it was successful. 2. Put back and tighten the 6 screws on the bottom rod. Three. Face the front side of the robot. Press lightly on the ends and the middle part of the bumper to make sure the bumper can spring back easily.